Hi, Kelby and Christian. I'm going to look at your work together. All right. All right, Christian. I think your work looks really professional. I don't remember what your bio is, but you're ready to go. So I like the page curl. It does make me want to click on that and see what's next. It was a good concept. And your type treatment is beautiful. It works really well, and I love how the G kind of squishes into the company. I don't have any suggestions here other than people don't usually use www anymore. Although, because we're talking about Coca-Cola, which appeals to like most of the world, you might want to leave the Coca-Cola on there. Very nice. And again, beautiful. I love the long version as well. But, like I said, the visit coca-cola.com to see more could probably be truncated if you need to make it so. All right, Kelby. So I think yours was the one with the trees. Am I correct? I like this concept. It's very direct, and it does seem more fitting to Nike. Like their symbol is always going to have a place of hierarchy, and I like that you didn't actually put the word Nike in there. You don't need to. You really don't need to. So my only suggestion is to do a better job of drawing these symbols. Cool font, by the way. I love that G. But the symbols, you need to just zoom in and do a better job of drawing these, which you probably already know. But the circle heads are not quite circles, which you could get away with, but when you start to look at the people, it just doesn't look like there was a strong attention to detail. So get there on the point, get that Bezier tool and round it out a little bit more, make them look a little more symmetrical like these people symbols are. Get rid of the sharp shapes. You can turn the edges to more of the rounded stroke. That's really my only comment because it's a really good concept, and I love that you're just trusting in the Nike swoosh. And the idea is very direct. All right, guys, and Kelby, if you have any questions, let me know.